Hey guys, what's up? New month, the month of November 2012. Time for an EDC update. Again. First off, we got my watch on my left wrist, GW 1500 G-Shock. Love it. Paracord bracelet on the right. My keys have changed. Still got the same setup. You got the car keys separate, and then you got my nanolite and utility key. I added my whistle onto here. And I replaced my Victorinox Sat Classic with this Leatherman style PS. It has the same tools except, without the blade, but with pliers and a bottle opener and a carabiner. So it's pretty nice to have one there. Bandana as always. Same wallet, the camo wallet. You got my gold coin I carry with me all the time. Microfiber cloth for my phone and blades. Phone is still an iPhone 4. Got my fire steel. Pack of gum. And I've been carrying my Zippo again because I got a Z Plus butane insert for it. So the fluid doesn't leak out, and it's a lot more reliable, and it actually will light if you want to use it. We got my Fisher Space Pen. Nice compact little pen. Carries really well in your pocket. My main light, still the 4.7's Cork Mini 123. Very, very tiny. And it goes up to 180 lumens. It's got strobe and SOS and beacon, all those great modes. Always carry my Victorinox Cadet. Love this model. And then this little holster on my belt. I carry my Leatherman Juice S2. Definitely my favorite multi-tool. I love it. And for my blades, I've been rocking my Spyderco Sage 1 carbon fiber for my utility smaller blade. I love it. It's a joy to carry, and it's a great performer. And my primary larger EDC has been my paramilitary 2. Been carrying it every day since I got it, and I love it. Can't get it out of my pocket. So guys, that's my EDC update for November 2012. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and take it easy and stay sharp.